Hello everybody. In this brief video I am going to describe how you can use BBC bitesize for science revision. If you go to Google and write down BBC bitesize, and today I want to talk about cells, so just write down cells. So BBC bitesize cells, and there are three results here. Okay, the second one if you look at GCSE, and the third one is Key Stage 3. So if you are year 9, I would recommend you start with this Key Stage 3 one, and if you are year 10 and 11, just start with the GCSE. However, you can always start with Key Stage 3 and refresh your memory and then jump to this one. Right, let's start. Have a look at this. Okay, cells to system. Well, what you have here, you have a revised section. Okay, you can see if we started from the second page, it goes to 6 pages, and then you have a test. Test is like 10 questions, so you can check your understanding. And if we start here, cells are basic building blocks of all animals and plants. They are small. You need to use a light microscope to see them. Year 9s would remember we recently done some microscope work. Okay, and then let's go down. Here is a picture of a plant cell. The green bits show that basically this is a plant cell. Also, it has cell wall here next to the cell membrane. Okay, right, this one is an onion cell, and you can see the nucleus and the cell wall, right? Okay, and this one is an animal cell. This is a cheek cell. You can see the nucleus in the middle. Nucleus has the DNA and the genetical materials. It also controls the cell. And then cell membrane. Cell membrane gives the shape of the cell, and it has a semi-permeable membrane, which means it controls what goes in and out of the cell. Right, let's go to the third page. Right, here you have the comparison of animal and plant cells. Okay, here this one is an animal cell, only has cell membrane. But this one also has, the plant cell has a cell wall. Okay, both of them has nucleus, and both of them has a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, again, jelly-like structure where the chemical reactions take place, and all the descriptions and the functions and where it is found is here. Okay, and then you have a little video clip here. Let me play this for a few seconds to show you.
Every living thing is made up of millions of cells, all too tiny to be seen unless using a microscope. The human body is made up of about 10 trillion cells, divided into about 200 different types.
Okay, so you can watch that one, and then if you go through this, you have specialized cells, which means all different types of cells which are adapted to do one function. Okay, all right, and type of animal cell, plant cell, and the function are listed here. Okay, special features. We have done some work related to this one as well. Okay, let's go to the 5th page. Right, and it talks about yeast and bacteria. And the last page, right, just basically tissues, organs, and organ systems here. And then there is another video. And then when you finish this, you go back, go up, and then click on the test button, and here you have the questions. Okay, you got 10 questions, right, and then you can check your score. Right, you basically do this, and then when you check your score, it will tell you how you did, and then you can always go back and then do it again. Right, I just want to go back to the GCSE one. quickly. Alright, let's go back. Alright, GCSE 1 is very similar to Key Stage 3 1. Right, so what you have here is the revision, a little video clip, and the test. Okay, when you complete this section, you can go to the next one and the next one. Basically, this will really help you revise science. Okay, if you have internet access and a laptop or a computer, or even you can use your mobile phone. I hope it helps.